The tech support help log is a part of the customer file. And what this means is that when you create the customer record, it'll automatically populate each record for each client and provide a portal for tracking customer service help issues. Now, this can be anything from something that you need to do for the customer, or the customer has had an event at the location where the rental is at, where either the item that was rented or rented items in plural need service or have issues or have quit functioning or inoperative. So what you would do in this area is indicate the information as far as the this will automatically populate this field when you create a new record. But by clicking in any new record, as you add data, it fills in the next record and drops another new one to the bottom. So that's how you actually populate a new record for adding a new issue. In this case, this is a prevailing record where there is a contact for a reason. Now, since these are tied to the client, this will always be the same and they'll always be in here, and you can track back to them and see the help desk issues, and you can follow them on a printout for the help desk table where it'll show each one of these individual help desk issues. Now, what you do is just go ahead and fill in the time and date of the actual event. You put in the contact method, called, received an email, or whatever it might be. The help contact, the person that actually took the call or event, the person's customer's name, and you would go ahead and put that in there. Now, this is a drop down and it has an editable area where what you're going to do is you can go up and edit the customer service status, and this would be something that would pertain to what is actually happening on these events as far as the status. And you can add new ones by editing within the customer contact status. Down here, you would narrate what the issue is and keep records. I would suggest again that you look in the portal for the portal record, and this will expand so you can see more of the actual, for example, let's go over to the portal record. You can see where the information is expanded, and this will actually scroll so you can scroll through and read it on this side. You can still also reach the help desk table through this area. And to return back to the help desk, just click this icon. If you needed to, you could delete the record for cause. For example, maybe you started to do a help thing and they solved their issue and it's no longer an issue and wasn't from the start. You could just delete the record by clicking the delete button. Let's go back to the help desk. You can move through the record using the next and previous to go through the top level client records, or you can use the table or a find if you wanted to find a specific client by clicking on the find, put the name in or a partial part of the name, or even the customer's ID, and that would find that customer. And then you could review that particular help file. The table itself, let's take a look at it. The help table is basic information about each individual event, and it says customer status, whether it's solved or not, and the RMA number for the return authorization in case something needs to be returned, either a part of one of the items or the entire rented item itself. So you'd have to schedule a return for it if that was the case. So let's go back to the help desk. This concludes this particular screen. If you have any questions, give me an email with your questions. Thank you.